digit, number, places and place values.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
The 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 are used to form all numbers. Each of these symbols is called digit. We use one or more digits to write a number.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
A single digit number can be written by using only one of the 10 digits. Largest one digit number is 9. If we add 1 to this number, then we get smallest two digit number 10. We can write any two digit number as well. Largest two digit number is 99. If we add 1 to this number, then we get smallest three digit number 100. In the same way, we can go on forming various other three digit numbers. The largest three digit number is 999. Adding 1 to largest three digit number 999 gives smallest four digit number 1000. In the same way, we have largest four digit number 9999. If we add 1 to largest four digit number 9999, then it gives smallest five digit number 10,000.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Similarly, we have largest five digit number 99,999. Adding 1 to it gives smallest six digit number 1 lakh. Largest six digit number is 9,99,999. Adding 1 to it forms smallest seven digit number 10 lakh. Largest seven digit number is 99,99,999. Adding 1 to it forms smallest 8 digit number 1 crore. Largest 8 digit number is 9,99,99,999. Adding 1 to it forms smallest 9 digit number 10 crore. Finally, we have largest 9 digit number as 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Number places and place values. The 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 are used to form all numbers. We use one or more digits to write a number. Digits are given places such as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. A digit at one's place indicate number of ones or units. A digit at tens place indicate groups of 10. Similarly, a digit at hundreds place indicate groups of 100. Digit at thousands place indicate groups of 1000. Digit at 10,000s place indicate groups of 10,000. Digit at 1 lakhs place indicate groups of 1 lakh. Digit at 10 lakhs place indicate groups of 10 lakh. Digit at 1 crores place indicate groups of 1 crore. Digit at 10 crores place indicate groups of 10 crore. The value of a digit depends on its place or position in the number, which is calculated by digit multiplied by value of that place.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
So, value of 6 at 1's place is 6 multiplied by 1, which is equals to 6. Similarly, value of 7 at 10's place is 7 multiplied by 10 equals to 70. Value of 5 at 100's place is 5 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 500. Value of 4 at 1000's place is 4 multiplied by 1000, which is equals to 4000. Value of 2 at 10,000's place is 2 multiplied by 10,000, which is equals to 20,000. Value of 3 at lakh's place is 3 multiplied by 1 lakh, which is equals to 3 lakhs. Value of 2 at 10 lakh's place is 2 multiplied by 10 lakh, which is equals to 20 lakhs. Value of 1 at crores place is 1 multiplied by 1 crore, which is equals to 1 crore. And value of 1 at 10 crores place is 1 multiplied by 10 crores, which is equals to 10 crore. Indian and International System of Numeration. For the given number, put commas and write names according to Indian System of Numeration and International System of Numeration.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Indian System of Numeration uses ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs and crores. In this system, commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. So, put first comma after hundreds place, that is, after 3 digits from right to mark thousands. Put second comma after 10,000's place, that is, 2 digits after first comma to mark lakhs. Put third comma after 10 lakhs, that is, 2 digits after second comma to mark crores. So number name is 8,76,54,321. In International System of Numeration, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and millions are used. Where 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs, which is equals to 1000 thousands. In this system, commas are used to mark thousands and millions. So put first comma after hundreds to mark thousands. Put second comma 3 digit after the first comma to mark millions. So number name will be 87,654,321. Next example. Indicate places of digits and write place values of given number. Places of digits are rightmost digit 7 is at units place or also called ones place and have place value 7. Next digit 4 is at tens place and have place value equals to 40. Similarly, 5 is at hundreds place, so place value is 500. 9 is at thousands place, so place value is 9000. 8 is at 10,000s place, so place value is 80,000. 5 is at lakhs place, so place value is 5 lakhs. 6 is at 10 lakhs place, so place value is 60 lakhs. Other places are crores place and 10 crores place. Since there are no digits, so these are kept unfilled. Next example. Expand and read the given number. Number can be expanded like this. Its number name is 2,46,853. Example. Represent the given number in placement boxes. It can be represented like this.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Example. Write the number from number name. 62,05,080. The number has 62 lakh. So 10 lakhs digit is 6 and lakhs digit is 2. The number has 5,000. So digit at thousands place is 5 and digit at 10,000s place is 0. The number has 80. So hundreds digit is 0, tens digit is 8 and ones digit is 0. Before ending this topic, always remember these facts. So I hope you understood the explained topic very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.